Hey everyone, day 27 of the 31 days to get organized challenges, and today we're still in lazy clutter, and what I'd really love for you to do is to go around your house and find old eyeglasses that you haven't used that are now out of prescription for you or other members of your family. Now, one of the embarrassing things for me is that I decided to do this challenge myself, and I'm kind of surprised that in going through all the drawers in my home, I found about 8 pair of glasses that either my partner or I have used in the past but are no longer useful for us. So all of these are going off to a donation center here where I live that will pass on the glasses to people who will need and use them. And if you want to find someone similar in your neighborhood, just Google glasses, donation, and your town. Lazy clutter, glasses, let's hear how you do.